Hello! In this video I'm gonna finally unbox and showcase this nice speaker by Treblab, the HD Max. This is a Bluetooth speaker, really powerful. Okay, disclosure, this was sent to me by Treblab to make an unbiased and honest review. So from now on, everything you will listen and see will be my own opinion and what I'm gonna see here as well. Okay, so let me show you how the box looks and some information. So it has HD sound, 4 speakers, up to 20 hours of playtime, IPX6 water resistant, quick charging port, USB Type-C, built-in power bank, which is nice. Okay, we never know when our cell phone or tablet gets out of battery. 50 watts of power. Ho, really nice. 3 sound mode, indoor, outdoor, bass boost, TWS mode. So this will allow you to pair 2 speakers like this and then have a more immersive experience. Okay, so let's open the box because I'm really excited to see and to listen to this speaker. Maybe going this way. There we go. Oop. Let me put this here so you can follow the moment. Okay, so what do we have here? The user manual. Please read this manual before using the product. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so what do we have here? We have what's in the box. We have the speaker, this lanyard, the user manual. I think this is the charging cable, a sticker, and also a 3.5mm audio cable, the 6. Okay, so buttons and parts, place for the carrying strap. Okay, we have here the volume and next track, play pause, previews track, volume down, power on and off, place the carrying strap. We have a microphone as well, so this means that we can get income calls. Ooh! What else? We have the button for the hard reset, the 3.5mm, the charging port, pretty awesome. Okay, we have here, okay, answer a phone call, play pause button, reject a phone call, play pause for 2 seconds, redial, okay, nice, setting up, turn on, wireless pairing. Okay, okay, this is the true wireless stereo. Okay, the TWS, which is pairing 2 speakers at the same time. So this, what does is that it pairs both speakers one with the other. Okay, and then you just need to grab like the father speaker and then pair it with your device so you can get this stereo option. Okay. Power bank mode. Okay. So let's. Okay, we have some more stuff here. I think we should have here the cables and the strap as well. So we have here the aux cable, 3.5mm. We have the cute sticker from Treblab. We have the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And also we have this nice, cute, beautiful strap with something that I want to highlight because I saw it in the movies. We have here a bottle opener. Let me see what it is. It's here. Okay, so if you want to open a bottle, I'm not making advertisement about drink brands, but if you want to open, you just need to do this up. There you go. Pretty neat. I think now that's all. Let me bring this out of the box. Well, it's big as I thought. Maybe this is why they call him the Max. Okay. Let me show you. So here we have. Here it's where we can use the power bank, USB-A. Here is where we can charge this, USB-C. We have here also the aux plug, and here a little hole where you can reset the speaker. So let me put the strap on. There you go, so I can carry this on my shoulder. Let me see how it looks. Oh, looks pretty nice. Look, I'm so vain. Okay, awesome. So now it's time to put this to play for a little. Okay, I think it's here to turn it on. It's on. Oh, we see some nice lights here, so let me pair it. Let me check how easy it is to pair. Okay, so I already have the device here. It's paired, so now it's time to play this. Let me do this. Okay. Let me bring the music. I think I have. I need to. Okay. I'm gonna. Let me play this music then. Let me put this close to the microphone. And now, to change the sound mode, I think it's yes, we need to press this button twice. So let's try this. Well, I can see, I think you can tell as well a difference in the bass in this one. This one it's more clean. This is the battery indicator, I think. And let me put the volume a little bit up. Let me try another track. Okay, so I think that's good. Pretty nice speaker, easy to use, easy to pair with your cell. At least with mine it was really easy to use. Pretty nice sound. You have 3 different modes, which are easy to switch as well. Okay, this nice strap with this bottle opener, it's something that I like as well. So this was the unboxing and tryout of the Treblab Speaker HD Max. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.